Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best DisplayPort cable available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Silkland DisplayPort cable. The Silkland 16K DisplayPort cable is a premium, high-performance solution built for gamers, creators, and power users who demand uncompromising visual quality and reliability. Supporting advanced technologies such as VRR, ALLM, DSC 1.2a, FEC, and MST, it delivers exceptionally smooth gameplay with reduced latency, eliminating screen tearing, flickering, and stuttering even during fast-paced action. Dynamic HDR enhances contrast and shadow detail, while support for 32-bit audio and lossless surround sound creates a more immersive gaming experience, helping players detect subtle in-game audio cues with precision. The cable's latch-free, plug-and-play design makes connecting and disconnecting effortless without sacrificing a secure fit. Premium 24K gold-plated connectors, 28 AWG tinned copper conductors, and triple-layer shielding ensure excellent signal integrity, minimal interference, and long-term durability. Whether powering a high refresh rate gaming monitor or a multi-display workstation, this DisplayPort cable consistently delivers stable, crystal-clear performance. Next up, we have Ugreen DisplayPort cable. The Ugreen DisplayPort 2.1 cable is a premium, Visa-certified solution engineered for gamers, creators, and professionals who demand maximum display performance. With an impressive 54 gigabits per second bandwidth, it supports ultra-high resolutions up to 16K at 30 Hz, 8K at 240 Hz, 4K at 240 Hz, and 1080p at 540 Hz, delivering exceptionally smooth visuals with outstanding clarity. Advanced features including HDR, DSC 1.2a, HDCP 2.2, FEC, FreeSync, G-Sync, VRR, ALLM, and multi-stream transport ensure fluid gameplay, tear-free graphics, and immersive multi-monitor setups. Constructed with 28 AWG tinned copper conductors, triple-layer shielding, an aluminum alloy housing, and a durable nylon-braided exterior, the cable offers excellent signal integrity, EMI resistance, and long-term durability. Its latch-free connector design prevents accidental damage while maintaining a secure connection. Compatible with the latest NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards as well as high refresh rate gaming monitors, this DisplayPort cable delivers outstanding reliability, future-proof performance, and exceptional value for demanding gaming and professional environments. Coming in at number 3, Hiwings DisplayPort cable. This DisplayPort 2.1 cable is a top-tier choice for gamers, content creators, and professionals seeking exceptional display performance and long-term reliability. With an impressive 80 gigabits per second bandwidth, it supports ultra-high resolutions up to 16K at 60 Hz, DSC, 8K at 120 Hz, and 4K at 240 Hz, delivering remarkably sharp visuals, fluid motion, and lossless multi-channel audio. Advanced gaming technologies, including dynamic HDR, FreeSync, G-Sync, adaptive sync, and multi-stream transport, provide tear-free gameplay, richer contrast, and seamless multi-monitor setups, making it ideal for competitive and AAA gaming. Built with 28 AWG tinned copper conductors, triple-layer shielding, double nylon braiding, and 24K gold-plated connectors, the cable ensures outstanding signal stability, EMI resistance, and long-lasting durability. Its secure grip design makes installation simple while maintaining a reliable connection. Broad compatibility with modern DisplayPort-enabled monitors and high-end NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards, combined with responsive lifetime customer support and a hassle-free warranty. Now at number 4, Capture DisplayPort cable. This Visa-certified DisplayPort 1.4 cable delivers exceptional performance for gaming, content creation, and high-resolution multimedia applications. Supporting resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 144 Hz, and 2K at 240 Hz, it provides crisp image quality and ultra-smooth motion that fully utilizes high refresh rate monitors. Dynamic HDR enhances contrast and shadow detail, making fast-paced FPS titles and visually rich AAA games more immersive and responsive. With a 32.4 gigabits per second HBR3 bandwidth, display stream compression, DSC, FEC error correction, and 32-channel audio support, the cable ensures stable, high-quality transmission with minimal signal loss. Premium construction, including multiple shielding layers and 24K gold-plated connectors, improves durability while protecting against interference. Broad compatibility with modern NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards and popular gaming monitors makes it a versatile choice for nearly any DisplayPort setup. Its plug-and-play design and backward compatibility with earlier DisplayPort standards further enhance convenience, making this cable a reliable, high-value upgrade for demanding users. And finally, our last pick: Ivanki DisplayPort Cable. The Ivanki Visa-certified DisplayPort 1.4 cable is a premium solution designed to unlock the full potential of modern gaming monitors and high-performance graphics cards. Supporting resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 240 Hz, and 2K at 240 Hz, it delivers exceptionally sharp visuals and ultra-smooth gameplay, while Dynamic HDR, FreeSync, and G-Sync eliminate screen tearing, flickering, and motion blur for a more immersive experience. Its 32.4 gigabits per second HBR3 bandwidth ensures reliable high-speed data transmission, making it ideal for competitive gaming, creative workflows, and high-resolution media. Built with flexible 30 AWG tinned copper conductors, a durable nylon-braided jacket rated for over 28,000 bends, and 24K gold-plated connectors, the cable offers outstanding durability and consistent signal integrity. The latch-free connector design prevents accidental damage during removal, while broad compatibility with DisplayPort-enabled desktops, laptops, monitors, and graphics cards makes it a dependable. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.